Is development destroying our environment? The hidden cost we ignore? Every day we build roads, buildings, flyovers, and cities. Development is necessary, but have you ever stopped to ask what is the real environmental cost of this development? And more importantly, who pays for that damage? As cities grow, construction activities increase rapidly. Dust pollution, noise pollution, loss of trees, water contamination, and increased carbon emissions, these impacts are often treated as side effects. In most projects, environmental clearance is seen as a formality. Monitoring is done, reports are submitted, but environmental damage rarely translates into actual accountability. The environment absorbs the loss while the project moves on. Let's understand this simply. Any construction project impacts the environment in 5 major ways. 1. Air quality degradation due to dust and emissions. 2. Noise pollution from heavy machinery. 3. Water pollution due to runoff and waste discharge. 4. Loss of green cover and biodiversity. 5. Carbon footprint of materials and equipment. Environmental engineers use monitoring data, standards, and impact assessment tools to quantify these damages. Once quantified, damage can be translated into restoration cost, mitigation cost, environmental compensation. When environmental damage is not valued, it becomes invisible. But when damage is measured in numbers, it becomes a decision-making factor. Sustainable development does not mean stopping development, it means building responsibly. Today, regulatory bodies are slowly moving towards the environmental damage assessment, polluter pays principle, project-specific environmental compensation. This shift needs strong technical frameworks and skilled environmental professionals. Development and environment are not enemies. The problem arises when we ignore the true cost of what we build. As engineers, planners, and citizens, we must ensure that growth does not come at the cost of irreversible damage. If you care about sustainable development, environmental engineering, and real-world solutions, subscribe to this channel. New videos every week breaking down environmental concepts in a simple and practical way.